So from what I've like looked up, when you want to cancel out the blue, I'm not sure if this will work with the green, but I have more blue than the green, is you want to put an orange dye over the top of it before you dye it like brown, which is the color that I'm going for, as you can see in the title. So I'm going for a brown just because as much as I love the colored hair, it's super cute. When this part starts growing out, because I want to have like a longer pixie, probably like my whole head, maybe a little shorter than this, just so I can pull it behind my ear. Maybe keep one side shaved, I'm not quite sure. With that growing out process, I want to have a dark brown or like a lightish brown because that's what my roots will be growing into. So from what I've researched, if you put orange over blue, it'll cancel out the blue tones so that brown can cover nicely. So that's what we're going to do. I have some yellow Arctic Fox and I have some red Manic Panic. I'm going to mix those together, but I want to show you what I got from Sally's first. Those were hair dyes that I already had at home, but I went to Sally's and they were having a great deal. If you were buying an Ion product, which is what I got, let me show you. I was going to buy the Ion and then I was just going to buy a developer. So that would have cost me like $15, around $15. But if you bought the Ion product, you got a bowl, a developer, a brush, and a booster to put in your dye, plus your hair dye, all of this for $12.99. So the total cost me $13.80 with tax. So literally, if I only went in for this and developer, it would have cost me like $15, $16. But I got all of this for $12.99 with the deal that they had going on. So if you're looking to dye your hair, go get yourself some Ion. And then you get this bowl, the brush, the booster, the developer for $12.99. Can't beat that. So I'm gonna mix up the yellow and the red. This is, I don't think it really matters. This color is Cosmic Sunshine and the red is Rock and Roll Red. I'm just gonna make an orange color and then we're gonna put it on the top of this situation right here. Okay, you guys, so I got my colors mixed, a little bit more red than I wanted, but it still looks good. So what I did was, because I put too much red and only had a certain amount of the yellow, I mixed it with some conditioner to dilute it a little bit. Plus it gives me a little bit more product to work with. And all we want to do is neutralize this anyways. So I'm going to put this all over my head. I have to film a little bit of a TikTok and a YouTube short. So if you see me doing that super quick, that's what I'm doing. And then I'll put my other glove on and we'll get going. But this is what this is looking like. So I'm going to play some music now. We're going to put this on. And then when it comes to the next step, which is the color, now let me show you what color I got. I got the Dark Intense Brown 3NN by Ion. This is the color that we're going to be using. We'll get to that after. But I love this, but also like the damage that I did with bleaching my hair, I can see short little pieces of green. I just want my hair to get a little bit healthier. I know that I keep dyeing it and I probably will continue to keep dyeing it, so I don't need nobody in the comments saying, well, stop dyeing your hair. This is just me and how I express myself. But in the meantime, right now on October, what's the date? 24th. I'm gonna try to let it get a little healthier, but in a week from now, I might be bleaching it again. I really don't know, so don't hold me to it. But right now, we are gonna be going brown. But all right, let's put this on. You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. All right, you guys, I'm just gonna take a little bit of toilet paper just to wipe off my forehead. But this is what the orange color looks like on top of that blue-green. I'm not sure how it's gonna take over the green, but I know it'll take over the blue because I've watched a ton of videos on TikTok so far. But this is what it's looking like. I'm probably gonna keep it on, what time is it, 12:13? I'll probably keep it on till 12:30, 12:40, like 15, 20 minutes, just to see. I'll pull like a little piece out to see how it neutralized. If I have to keep it on a little longer, I will, but I'm trying not to keep it on too long. We'll see what 15-20 minutes does, and then I will check back in with you guys. I am going to now rinse out my bowl. This is how much I used. So I still have some left, but that was really like the help of that conditioner, diluting it and making it have more volume, because I put way too much red in there and I needed it more orange, so that conditioner really helped me out. Just make sure you're using a white conditioner. Don't be using like a purple or another color type of conditioner. White, so it doesn't mess with the color. It will actually make it like a little bit lighter and dilute the intensity of, you know, in my case, that red color. It toned it down so that yellow pulled through a little bit more to make it more orange. So let me let this sit and I'll be back when I rinse it. Let me get my phone for my TikTok in my short. Let me look at it with you guys first, because they can watch the whole video on YouTube if they want. Okay, well, it completely turned that green orange. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. It definitely neutralized the blue. I still have hair dye. I'm shocked about the green turning completely orange, but okay. This looks like a nice little base for this to cover over. Let me do my TikTok. Mix up my other hair dye, quickly blow dry this. So let's just mix it up together. So I'm gonna do equal parts. I'm just gonna wing it, truthfully, because I don't want to use this whole container like I would in the past. All right, I'm going to try this much. I'll show you guys. That much of the color, and then I'm going to try to pour in about that much of the developer, so it's half and half. I'm going to use my same brush because I don't want to open up my new one yet, and mix it. I'm going to put more developer. And I'm just going to put the rest of the color, because I'll just go back and buy more if I need to touch it up sooner than I am thinking I do. Because remember, my roots and stuff will be growing out, so my hair is brown. Instead of right now me doing the blue and the green and needing to bleach my roots and stuff, my hair is going to be brown anyways, so I'm just going to use all of it. That shall be good. The whole bottle of that, whole bottle of developer. What videos do you guys like the best of mine? Do you want to see more short hairstyles, like different ways you can style your hair? I mean, there's only so many ways you can style short hair. More makeup looks, more vlogs, a little bit of everything. What is your favorite type of videos to see from me, the Italian Diva? Because I can start filming like morning routines. Morning routines work better than night routines. I can film days in the life. Nail videos. I have to do my nails again because I'm going to see a concert this weekend, Motionless in White. That's what I really feel like my channel is anyways. It's me. I do makeup. I do my nails. I do my hair. I vlog. All right, that's the best I can do. Still kind of like lumpy. I wish I knew where my little whisk was, but I don't have it right now. So I'm gonna have to go back out in the kitchen, grab some gloves in a minute. I'm going to blow dry my hair super quick. Let that kind of sit. Hopefully those lumps will magically disappear. I filmed my little TikTok part and my little YouTube short, but I'm gonna play some music now. I'm putting my gloves on and we're gonna put this brown dye all over our hair. I'm probably gonna let this sit for about 30 to 40 minutes just because I really wanna make sure it covers up that orange, especially all the work of like putting this orange color on. Like hopefully it works the way I'm expecting it to. So I'm gonna play some music and I'm gonna put the hair dye on.
Of your core.
Alright guys, so as you saw, I put a little bit of that brown hair dye on top of my brows because I'm tired of that light color that I did when I dyed my hair blonde. So I want everything to be all matchy match. I'm going to take my little paper, not my paper towel, my toilet paper, might take a baby wipe just to clean around my ears because I don't want my ears to stain. And I'm probably only going to keep the dye on my brows for like 5-ish minutes and then I will wipe it off. And then once I wash my hair and everything, I will come back, blow dry it, and we'll see what it looks like. Alright you guys, wash my hair. I used this. I don't use shampoo the first time I dye my hair. Like the next time I wash my hair, I'll use shampoo. But I just use the Schwarzkopf, however you pronounce it, Keratin Color Conditioner just to put on my hair after I rinsed the color out. I get this in my hair dyeing boxes. I have hair dye under my nail. Oh my god. I had like a big clump of it behind on my neck. I didn't even realize, so I have it under my nails. Thank goodness I'm redoing my nails for the concert. But this right here is what I use that comes in my box dye color boxes when I use this brand. So I thought, let's just use it. All right, let's see what it looks like. I know I got hair, ooh. I got hair dye all on my forehead. Let me try to scrub that off. Okay, let's see. I'm just crouching down so I can see better. But wow, that covered up that orange good, huh guys? Look. It's definitely a dark brown. It's not black. Let me put my, oh, I changed my phone charm. Like I said in my other video, I make these. These ones have howlite crystal stones on them. So I got 3 over here and 3 over here just because I do like crystals and stuff like that. So, and it's very obnoxious. It's a super long one, but I love it. Yeah, it's definitely like a dark brown. Oh, I love it. Let me blow dry my hair.
We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving through the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you.
Alright, you guys, I'm going to clean up. Oh, let me turn this light on. I'm going to clean up the hair dye that is still on my head. Style my hair a little bit. I shouldn't have blow dry it like that. But I'm super... Sorry guys, I'm looking in my mirror. Yeah, I gotta fix that. That's not cute. Let me put some makeup on, clean up all this stuff on my face, and I'll show you guys what the end result looks like after. But let's see how the back looks. I probably have it all stained on me. Alright. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I just did a very simple glam, little foundation. I didn't have to put nothing on my brows because they're darker again. Thank goodness. Love the way the like hair color covered the hair. Like doing that orange trick, like if you have blue hair, cancel out that blue with the orange hair dye because it covered perfectly. In the past when I've had blue hair and had put brown over the top, it always had a certain undertone where you could see that color through the color that you put on. And I feel like my hair just looks like that intense dark brown. I am so happy with it. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me change my hair once again. I know, crazy Gina, but this is what we're looking like. I am obsessed. I love it. I hope you guys love it too. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.